Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. How you doing? Hope all is well. Yo, my character's just like glitching out. I was trying to be facing y'all, but he's bugging out. It is what it is. We are on our daily Inscent grind, looking for a bird. I believe, what's today? Day 6 for the grind? I don't forgot what day we're on. But no bird yet. Maybe today will be the day. Also, we got these cottonies, these festive cottonies out here. We'll go ahead and assume we caught that. Our first Pokemon is going to be a Phantom. We'll throw a golden pineapple at it. Or a golden raz, I mean. Oh, we got a Ponyta, let's go. Okay, so another thing. My best friend told me to just walk in a straight path, right? Just walk straight. So Mr. Lex, if you see this is for you. Let me just show you all the route. Yeah, we're walking straight, all right. There's a Bulbasaur right here. I don't mind. Go ahead, Snorlax, hit that back for me. Oh, we got a Zorua. Hey, shiny Snorlax with a cowboy hat. Look at that. Psych. You know I gotta hit that Snorlax with an excellent. Okay, shiny check. Shiny Zorua, please. No, how dope would that have been though? How dope would that have been? Spritzy, no shiny. I ain't gonna lie, I feel this is pretty smart. The spawns, I'm getting pretty good spawns here. Pansage, the regionals are back. Quick catch, y'all. I'm walking. Where they at? Alright. Yo, Shroomish, that's clutch. I still need to do that collection challenge. I think this is the last one I need, is to evolve Shroomish. I need the candies. Let's see what my candies are at. 32. That's great. Bulbasaur. Not from the daily. Okay, we got an egg. We have an egg. Hello, Geodude, no shiny. 3-star though. What do we want to do? Let's do a 5K now. We got a Tangela. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna quick catch this one because I need that Shroomish. Alright. Shroomish. Actually, I don't even know if I caught the Pokemon on the daily. Because quick catching, you never know. You can catch it, or it doesn't catch it, or it could run. Oh, we have an Oddish. Let's go. I like Oddishes. You get a pineapple. Oh, Ditto check? Ditto, let's go. Okay, no shiny. Another Ditto, possibly. Guess I'm throwing pineapples at Dittos. Oh no, it was actually an oddish. Bet. Luciana shiny checks here. Hold up. Still don't have this one shiny either. Oh my goodness, a Heracross. My Heracross turned into a kitty fly. Y'all see that, right? Am I tripping? It's cool. We'll take a cutie fly. See? Heracross. Imagine if that was shiny. Random oddish. I wonder if that could have been shiny. Oh, we got a Clefable. Interesting. Still no bird. Hey. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh man, I had to check the economy, yo. Gotta check the economy. I do like the costume shinies, I ain't gonna lie. Just because of the rarity factor, we got another one right here. Wow. Oh. Oh. Okay, okay. Oh, we criticaled it. Let's go. Magikarp. Yeah, we'll pineapple you. Why not? How much Magikarp candy I got? 5,300. Not bad. I gotta catch the combi. Gotta catch the combi. I love me some dust. Think I'm almost back at 14 million. Almost. Hey, wait a minute. Here, take that. 937 dust. I'll take it. Oh my god, what a bird. What a bird. Yo, Niantic's trolling me. I'm getting trolled. Trolled. Okay, we got another oddish. Oh, I gotta cross this street though, which means I gotta stop walking for a second. Hold on now. Nah, we're good. We're good. Oh, ditto shiny check. No. Negative. Not a bad ditto either, though. What we got here? Remoraid. This ain't looking good. Oh, man. Where we at, yo? What the heck? Cascoon? Silcoon? Something coon? You know what? I'm gonna point out that just because. Okay, buddy. Relax. You know what? I didn't want it anyways. We got an oddish. No shiny. Not on the daily. Still gonna throw a ball at it. We got a do. What it do? Oh, yo. What's up, bro? Skateboarding? Get out of here. I didn't want a favorite. Cutie Fly? Not on the daily. I saw the Zygarde sale. Where is it at? Right here. Hey. Let me go ahead and talk to Mateo real quick. We'll go ahead and add a sticker to that. Go ahead and take that. Boom. Enjoy. Now, where's this gift coming from? Berlin, Germany. Yeah. Another sticker I don't want. 7-kilometer egg from Germany though. Hunted Stardust. I'll spin that. Alright, we completed the route, so let's go ahead and complete the route. We earned a route badge. Yeah, it was my first time doing it. Golden Rats for that. 4,000 XP. I'll take that. I'll give you a 5-star, because why not? We got a Shroomish. Got a Pineapple. I wonder what my candies are looking like. Can I finally do the collection challenge? I'm at 44 candies. Ooh, a Pidgey. Yeah, gotta catch the Pidgeys. You know, you just have to. Alright, Cottony. Wow. Oh, let's go. If I catch you, I'll have enough to do the collection challenge. Boom. Alright, we got a Tangle off the daily dough. Take that berry. Yeah, 1,700. Alright, Tangle, I see you. Ah, okay, I really see you. 1762. Boom. Alright, cool. Oh, that's it. Daily Inscent is over. 18 Pokemon. Another day with no bird. I will spin this new Pokestop though. Let me just shiny check this stuff real quick. Alright. Alright, not worried about the Shroomish. I got the candies now. Tepig. No shiny there. Maybe we could get a shiny here. I'm trying to get a shiny for the video, man. Whoa. Oh, I know what we got. Let's do this collection challenge real quick. So we have to evolve you. Okay, why not? Just get it done and over with. Alright, boom. Braylum. Yeah, here's Garbage. Get rid of you. And then, yes. My 88th collection challenge. Now, last shiny check for the video. 2,500 dust. 5,000 XP. 3, 2, 1. Negative. Oh my goodness. For that Cottony, that would have been pretty dope. Maybe end on a hundo. Nah. Shiny. Dang it. Alright, like and subscribe for more. Hope you guys enjoyed. Here's where I'm at. XP wise, 8.3 mil, almost 8.4 now. Level 48. Like and subscribe for more though. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wish me luck. Maybe I'll get a bird tomorrow. Stay tuned. Peace.